Morning to one and all. So today in this video we will discuss about what is actually happening in Future Group. So there are many newses related to the Future Group. Actually, we know that today we also have results of Future Consumer also, which I will be discussing in the next video. So let us keep that aside. So the main issue right now is that news has come around 1 hour back that Freetail is going to be taken up by Mr. Mukesh Ambani. So the news was actually given past few weeks back only, and the stock has also given a huge upward movement. We all know that it almost went to 160s also from 1110 where the news has come, and it has given a nice movement. Now currently when the news came that Mr. Ambani is taking, but still the share is at lower circuit, so we don't know actually what are the main reasons for this. But let me tell you what are the, we can say, what are the rumors which are present on this share. Some people, so first let me show you the news. We'll discuss all the technicals and fundamentals also for this. So share says that Mukesh Ambani's RL set to acquire Kishore Biyani's lead Future Group. So he's telling that Future Group. So in this, the point to be noted is that Future Group. So Future Group, some people are telling that they may merge all the three companies, that is FLFL, Future Lifestyle, you all might be knowing, Future Consumer is also there, Future Enterprise also is there, and Future Retail is also there. So these are all the basic categories of this Future Group. Some people are telling that they may merge all these groups, and another rumor is that they may swap the shares, that is they may give um, Reliance shares with the help of Future Retail or any other shares. So this is one rumor, and some people are telling that they may bring the share price to the book value. So we know that all the Future Group book values are very less, almost below 100 rupees only, around if I'll show you that also, the book values of each and every Future share. So this is the basic news and what are the rumors on this share. So when we don't have any clarity, so we need to, if we want to invest, we need to invest in small quantity to give a try, okay, but not in lump sum amount of quantity, okay. So we know that in the previous video in around last month, not last month, also 1.5 month has become, I have told about Alok Industries also to take around 17 rupees. I have personally told that we can add at 17 rupees when the upper circuit was open, okay. People who have added, they had made good money, so that's why I tell to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any update. Even about Den Networks, you know, Den Networks also Reliance company, it has around 80 to 90% stake, okay. So whenever Reliance topic comes, the share starts booming. We know that Alok started booming, Den Network started booming, network TV18 network also started booming. So these are all the shares which are Reliance acquired. But this, in this case, some insider news has come, or insider news has been leaked. That's why the stock has hit the lower circuit. So something is happening. Either they may bring down to book value, or they may merge all the three companies. So you need to focus on that. So if you see, the book value is currently at you can see the book value is around currently 71 rupees, okay. 71 is the rupees is the book value, and if you see the industry P is 74 and we are getting it at 10 P. So P wise it's very nice, but if we see the book value is 71, if they bring back the share to book value, then it will be around 71 rupees according to the data. So if you see, currently also we have a very huge selling, around 16 lakh shares are still pending in the sell order. So this much amount of shares to sell is not possible by any retailer. So this can be done only by the insider or the operator only. So something news has been leaked within inside, which has brought this share to lower circuit, okay. So apart from that, if we see the shareholding, we can see that it is 74% pledging is there. So it is very high quantity pledging. If we compare it to the previous quarter, we see 80 and 57%, okay. That is very high. If we see the total FI's holding has also decreased slightly, and total DI's holding has increased a little bit, okay. And insurance companies and all has remained flat, Okay, not that great fundamentals of this company, because he has done huge pledging. That was the main reason that the future shares are all down. Okay, so what are strengths of this? So net profit increasing, profit margin quarter on quarter. Okay, increasing profits. Okay, stock gain almost 20. So these are the two strengths of the three strengths of this company. When we compare the weaknesses, there are so many weaknesses. Promoter holding decreased. Okay, so this is also very negative. Promoter holding is decreased. Next, bearish engulfing pattern formed. Mutual fund decreased, declining quarterly profits. Promoter decreasing the shareholding. Companies with weak financials. So this is also company with weak financial. So this share is mainly rising because that news of Mukesh Ambani will take the stake, because this company has very good future. I'm not telling that it doesn't have any future, but it depends upon the company promoter also, how he's managing and utilizing the resources in order to bring the company up. So if he uses those all properly, then definitely it will have a good future rather than doing huge amount of pledging. That's why it has brought the share down. Even when we consider future consumer high potential stock, yes or no? So we need to see that if the everything goes fine, we can put small amount of amount in these shares. Okay, if we see on charts, we see that it was going very well since past weeks. If we see the weekly chart, we see that nice upward movement was started, and suddenly some insider news or operators have come and totally they brought the share down. So we don't have any clarity right now. If any of the news which I told before, if they are done, then definitely that's why it's falling down. So we need to wait patiently. We should not put lump sum amount directly into this. Okay, we need to wait patiently. After that, if anything happens, then we need to put. That's why if you want to put small quantity, we can start putting, not huge quantity. Okay, once it starts up hitting upper circuits, then it's not possible to buy the stock. Okay, and in daily chart also, continuously it was moving up, and suddenly it has started falling down around 128 rupees. Currently it's trading. So if any news that is which I have told above is true, then we need to watch out what will happen. So anyone who want to invest, if it comes around 1110 also, we can add these shares. If it starts falling continuously, I'm telling, if it gets, we get in 1110, we can add. So we need to watch out what will happen. If anything news comes, I'll try to update you as early as possible. And also today we'll discuss about future consumer results also. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.